I get to it first, I got you mad. I guess that when I get to it last. Get it that I'm never going back. Get it that I'm never going back. Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it that I'm never going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up.
That was cool. That was a Max. It's nice seeing them going throughout the time here. Maxes are back in the air at our company, which is fantastic. Can't wait to fly them. Hey, today we're gonna head on up to Spokane. We had a little quick turn over there. So I'm flying over Fridays this week. So getting a video out on Friday is gonna be difficult. So I'm gonna try to get ahead on the videos this week. I try to get them to you fresh, so they're not like, you know, month-old videos. They're typically about a week or so old or stale, or whatever you want to call it. So anyways, let's head to Spokane. All right, guys, welcome back to the cockpit. Hey, we're at a great gate, D7. You're right over there. You can probably see some passengers in there. It's a great gate to do a little airplane watching here in Phoenix. Outside over the flight line, you can see the guard ramp where I used to fly. You can see that's really good airplane spotting, and then you see all the airplanes taking off and landing. It's pretty cool. Going to Spokane today. Here's our route. I pulled up the RPM turbulence, kind of gives us a little bit of a forecast of the turbulence en route. As you can see, nothing out there, no turbulence spots, no anything, so expecting a pretty good ride. Still haven't gotten our clearance yet. We're logged on to CPDLC. As you know, here in Phoenix, that's how we get our clearance. I do have a printer, which I took full advantage of. And oh, something's happening. Hey-o. We got that. There's the clearance to Spokane. Quaker 1, Grand Canyon S-File will climb maintain 8,000 feet. So that is set there. Expect 400 in 3 minutes. 19.2 is departure. Again, we'll double check that on the plate. And 2664, I'm accepting that. We're going 2, 6, 6, and a 4. There we go. We got, hey, it's a Wilco today. I remember we were getting Rogers for the last few times. Now we got Wilco. All right, as far as our route on the JEP FD Pro, pretty much the same deal. We're just going over Grand Canyon, cutting the course over here by St. George, Utah, heading on up to Twin Falls, and then on into Spokane. So should be a nice ride. We got the tunes in the cockpit. You saw we haven't had the tunes since Hutch. Hutch is, you know, we're flying with some cool captains now, so we're starting to get some tunes as we get our business done. So anyways, we're gonna get to our business, and we'll see you in Spokane. All right, we're here. As you can tell, a wonderful day here in Spokane. That's the view. Here's what it took, 2 hours and 37 minutes to get here. Beautiful ride. It was pretty much smooth the entire way. A little bumpiness here and there. And then in the lower altitudes, got a little bit bumpier. But overall, a nice ride. It's beautiful out there. Great day to fly. There was it's pretty much clear the whole time. So lots of good views here in the Pacific Northwest. We're gonna grab, finish doing the post-flight. Actually, the captain kind of hooked me up, did most of the pre-flight. So once we get the clearance, and the clearance here, since it's Spokane, it's via voice. So I'll plug in. You guys get to see another clearance, kind of the old-fashioned way. So yeah, we'll show you that here in a second. All right, guys, we are plugged in. I'm gonna get the clearance. It's old school here in Spokane, so we've got Spokane clearance here on 12755. That's in our comm number 2. I've set that up on VHF 2, so I'll go ahead and pick that up there. Unlike Cancun, you know, you don't have a lot of the barriers there, the accents, all that good stuff, so should be able to to basically go almost as filed. So now what I will say is I will put up the standard instrument departures. There's only one, Spokane 6. We're not taking off for runway 8, so I'm going to say none. And I'm going to expect that's what our departure is going to be, because our filed departure is nothing. So we go from the airport to that point, that ZATIP. That way, if there was a couple of departures on there, I'd have that up, and especially when it doesn't have a departure on your routing. When they give you a departure, you kind of figure out which one it is. So let's grab the departure.
Spokane clearance, Southwest 5018, clearance to Phoenix. We're ready to copy.
Southwest 5018, Spokane clearance, cleared to Phoenix Airport. Spokane 6 departure, then as filed, maintain 6000. Departure frequency 133.35, squawk 6653.
All right, Southwest 5018, we're clear to Phoenix via the Spokane 6 as filed. We'll climb maintain 6000, 133.35, and 6653 for the squawk.
Southwest 5018, right back rec.
Southwest 5018, thank you.
All right, that's it. That was pretty simple. As you notice, you guys probably noticed my handwriting. When you're writing on this, it's kind of flimsy. So I really should have, learned from the Cancun experience and pull out the little logbook and write it there on a table. Unlike an Airbus guy, I don't have a table in front of me, so I need to improvise. I was lazy, hence my handwriting is pretty bad. So anyways, that's the deal. Going to go ahead and put in 6, 6, 5, 3. I'm going to be flying, so ATC is on COM 2 and above for the takeoff. I'll put the
Delta 1008, Spokane,
flight
ground runway 21,
director
taxi
on my side. So anyways, that was the clearance, guys. It's pretty simple. On our way out of here, we love coming in at Spokane. It's very easy coming in, very easy going out. So it's a pretty easy deal. We're about ready to push here, probably in the next 5 minutes for an on-time push. So we'll see you in Phoenix here in looks like 2 hours and 6 minutes. All right, guys, we have made it back home. Just a quick 2-leg turn. I was expecting to get home a little bit quicker, but 2 hours 25 minutes is what we blocked on that. And with 5.5 on the gas. One cool thing, I haven't done this. Actually, I don't think at all. It's my first time. We landed on runway 26. We got off on Bravo 7. They gave us Bravo and then Romeo to get to our gate, which is right here, Charlie's 14. I've never gone underneath the bridge over there. You can see it back there, the little bridge. So I don't know, something different. Every day is not the same, so it's kind of great. All right, guys, that is it for this turn. Again, just a easy, quick 2-leg turn. Heading to Spokane and then coming back. Nothing real big, nothing real challenging out of this one. It was actually a really nice day. I have to say it is really awesome seeing you guys and meeting some of you at the airport, hearing what your flying experience is, whether it's on the simulator or in flight. I think that's really cool. So please, if you see me in the airport, say hi, because I'm gonna say hi back. Hey, thanks again for you guys' support. Always appreciate it. I'm very humbled by it. And I'll see you again on next week's video, which next week's video might be the flight that we're gonna go visit Hutch in Vegas for his birthday. We're gonna take the Green Hornet. Keep our fingers crossed, maybe that's the one. Still working out logistics on that. So, all right guys, have a great one. We'll talk to you later.